It's Friday, May 16th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And it's already happening. Breaking news in Canada's oil patch that in the backdrop of Donald Trump's tariff tirade, our nation has a new top customer for our oil. Shipping data finding that since the expanded Trans Mountain pipeline ramped up, China, not the U.S., has become our number one crude customer, over 200,000 barrels a day and rising compared to 173,000 being shipped daily to the States, and according to analysts, that gap will only get wider. Also, several other countries are lining up for our oil, including Japan, South Korea, India, and Taiwan. Maybe that has something to do with this. A big money takeover being pitched in the oil space. Strathcona Resources proposing a $5.9 billion stock and cash deal to acquire MEG Energy, a merger that, if it happens, would create the country's fifth largest oil producer. It only takes 2 minutes to get smarter. Canada's Business Beat is updated daily on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, including Spotify and Apple. The more you listen, the more you know. New hope for struggling electric truck and school bus maker Lion Electric. The Quebec government just throwing a lifeline, a new EV subsidy program which could pave the way for a group of investors to take the company over. In case you missed the latest on the Bay, a store within a store. Canadian Tire confirming that it has a $30 million deal for the Hudson's Bay name and various brands, including Gluckstein and Distinctly Home. The issue now is what happens to the many Bay stores, as they currently have 12 proposals for 39 of those outlets. Financial planning and life insurance giant Sun Life coming off a strong first quarter, reporting better than forecast earnings of $1.82 a share. And U.S. trade policies get the blame, as the United Nations is predicting a slowdown for global economic growth this year to 6.3 from 7.1% in India, 1.1 to 0.9 in the UK, 5 to 4.6 in China, and from 2.8 to 1.6% in the U.S. And that will do it for your Friday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.